Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And somebody's emailed me and they're trying to draw this that's perfect. It kind of reminds me of Mercedes-Benz logo. But if you'll take your polygon tool and set it on three sides, hold down your control button to get a perfect polygon. We're actually going to put this in the center of the page. So we're going to make it a six-sided and hit P for this, and then put it in the center of the page. That doesn't really matter, but in this case, so his problem is because it's a polygon, you can move these shapes, but you can't really move them perfectly around equally. So my suggestion is go ahead and let them snap to each other. All three nodes are on top of each other. We're going to set our nudge factor on 1/2 inch, and we're going to grab that bottom node and just nudge it down with the arrow key. And by doing that, you've moved them all out the same so they're all equal. And we'll just fill that in and move that out of the way. Now you see our center rotation is still there. So, it's acting like because if you flip this, or let's Control D and make the other one black, and then flip it, it doesn't work. But if you look at it, if you flip it up and down, that's what's happening because there's no center to this. To get a center, you'd have to completely start over. Now, this only works when it's a polygon, because if we take this shape and it's still a polygon with three sides, if we convert it to a curve, you no longer can move those nodes equally. And I can prove to you that this is equal by, let's take, I'm going to change my dimension tool. I'm going to go right here and change it to 150 points and make the dimension tool bigger. And then I'm going to use the parallel dimension tool, and I'm going to go from that node to that node, and you see we have, it didn't change it. It might be drawing really big. So that's at 942. And if we take the other side and go from that node to that node, we still have 942. So everything is perfect. Let's just do the test up top. And so all three of them are 942 apart. There's really no way to do that by hand. Anyway, I hope that helped that gentleman. Thank you for watching.